Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to all my students and my viewers. This is the channel Unconventional Learning, and we are back on the channel for a discussion on the syllabus 2022 board examination JAC. Now, I will also be discussing about the CBSE board, but that will be a completely different video. This is only about the JAC board 2022 board examination. Now, I will not only say 2022 because it is for the first time that a board has decided to take the examination in two different parts. So there will be part 1 and there will be part 2. Part 1 is scheduled on in between November and December, and part 2 is scheduled in the months of March and April. So this video is all about the syllabus which has been prescribed for your JAC board 2021 and 2022. Alright, so let us first discuss about, now because this is a channel which discusses most about English subject, so we will be discussing about English core and English elective. As I speak, the syllabus will also be there on the screen, so you have no issues. Now the first, we will be discussing about the November-December. The first chapter of Flamingo Prose, the last lesson. The second chapter, Lost Spring. The third chapter, Deep Water. These chapters are coming for your November-December examination. Then we have My Mother at 66, an elementary school classroom in a slum, Keeping Quiet. These three are from your Flamingo poems, the poems which are there at the end of the book Flamingo. The Tiger King, Journey to the End of the Earth, The Enemy. These three are from the book Vistas. So 3 chapters or 3 stories have been taken from each portion, whether it is Flamingo Prose or Flamingo Poems or Vistas, the book Vistas. So 3 each have been taken. Now in language part, what is coming is notice writing, letter writing, article writing, note making, and summary writing. Now these are there for your November-December examination as well as your March-April examination. So the language portion is the same, exactly the same in both the cases. Only one thing is different, which is in your November-December exam, you can see on the screen as well, I have made a small partition so that you can understand properly. Now in the November-December part, you will be having your report writing. You will be having your article writing, okay? And in your March-April, आपको जो लिखना होगा वो है report. So in language part, November-December will be the same. You will have letter writing. In March-April also you will be having letter writing. In this you will be having note making and summary writing. In March-April exam also you will be having the same. In this you will be having notice writing. Here also you will be having notice writing. But only thing which is different is here in the November-December you will be having article writing, and in the March-April you will be having report writing. Alright, so this was your syllabus for the examination to be held in the months of November and December. Okay, now coming to our syllabus for March-April examination, I'm also mentioning that because it will help you. Alright. So towards the end of the video, I will be mentioning all those chapters which are not coming in your examination. Okay, so you will have a clear. In the March-April examination, you will be having again 3 chapters from Flamingo Prose, which is Rat Trap, Indigo, and Going Places. These are 3 chapters you will be having for your March-April examination. Okay, it's also there on the screen. So when you watch the video, you will have no confusion where I'm discussing about the first part examination, where I'm discussing about the second part. Okay. Now from Flamingo Poems, you will be having A Thing of Beauty, A Roadside Stand, and Should a Wizard Hit Mommy. These 3 chapters are there for your second part. From your from your Vistas, you will be having Memories of Childhood, On the Face of It, and We Too Are Human Beings. So Memories of Childhood, On the Face of It, and We Too Are Human Beings. Now We Too Are Human Beings, there are 2 parts. Okay, one is by Zitkala Sa and one is by Bama. So a lot of people have this question, ma'am, are both the parts coming? Now in the syllabus here, they have mentioned just the chapter's name, but when you go in the detailed syllabus where they have given published the syllabus from 9 to 12, there they have also mentioned that only the second part, that is the chapter by Bama, is only coming now. In so 333 here also and 333 there also in part 1. Now coming to language part, as you have already watched the first part of the video, you have this idea that in the second part your letter writing is obvious, your notice writing is obvious. The only thing which is different from part 1 is report will be mentioned, and article is no more there in your second part examination. Now note making and summary writing as usual. Now coming to our English elective syllabus, let us see. Now in the first part examination, which is to be held in November-December, your chapters are I Sell My Dreams, Evelyn, Wedding in Bronzeville. These are the 3 chapters which are there from short stories. Now from the poems, I guess it is A Lecture Upon Shadow, poems by Milton, Kubla Khan. These are the 3 poems which are there from your book Kaleidoscope, okay? And 3 stories which I mentioned it above. After that, from the non-fiction part, the only one chapter is coming for your first part of examination, that is Freedom, which I take, if people know this. Alright, now in the drama part, only one play is coming, that is Chandalika. Okay, so 3 stories are coming, 3 poems are coming, 1 non-fiction is coming, 1 chapter from non-fiction part, and 1 play is coming from the drama section, that is Chandalika. Now in your language part, what is coming is Unseen Passage is there. It's also coming on the screen, so no issues. Unseen Poem is there. Essay is there, composition is there. Essay and composition more or less means not the same thing. Essay writing is all about you have to write in a passage format, and composition is also, I think, the same thing, but okay, fine. And then narration is also there. What this is all about, we will be discussing soon before the examination. Okay, I will be doing some kind of crash course also on the channel, so you will get an idea. Okay. So the chapter's name is also there on the screen. It is also given in the description box in a PDF format. You can go and download it and have a look for yourself. So these are the chapters which are coming for your part 1 of English elective, the board examination. Now part 2, what are the chapters? Let us discuss again. 1 centimeter, The Wild Swans of Cool, Time and Time Again. These are the 3 stories from the book Kaleidoscope, which is there at the beginning of the book. Then in poems we have Blood and Trees. Okay, in non-fiction we have Filmmaking, Why the Novel Matters. And from your play we have Financial Expert or A Tiger for Malgudi. This is separate thing, you need to study about this also. So you have again chapters are there, poems are there, non-fiction is there, and a play is there. Now in the language part, the same, exactly the same thing as part 1. Unseen Passage, Unseen Poem, Essay, Composition and Narration. Exactly the same thing is coming. Okay. Now when I have discussed, now why I was discussing about English core and English elective, one thing you have noticed that as I was speaking, the name of the chapters or the portion was also coming on the screen. So you could have found it easier to connect and understand which chapters are coming and which are not. Now all those chapters which are not coming, again I'm saying that will be mentioned at the end of the video. As you are about to end the video, it will pop up on the screen and all the chapters which are not coming are there mentioned. Okay, now coming to the preparation on about how you will try to score well, or what kind of questions might be asked in part 1 and part 2, and why they have decided in doing such kind of examination part 1 and part 2. I feel that the only reason they are doing this is because this is the first time in the history of education that without an examination students have been promoted. So they are just having a backup that the students might feel it easier to give an examination which is completely objective. Now CBSE has taken out a sample paper which according to me is completely objective. It's completely MCQ based. So chances are there that the part 1 examination, JAC examination, which is going to be conducted, will be completely objective. This is what our assumptions are, that it will be completely objective. So there will be again 4 options. You have to choose any one. OMR sheet will be given. You have to circle the correct option. This will be the thing, the drill. Now in the second part, the main thing will come up because you have to write the answers. That will be subjective. So all those students who think that okay part 1 तो सिर्फ ऑब्जेक्टिव है, चलो ना सिर्फ टिक करना तो है या सर्कल करना तो है, what's the big issue? I am telling you, start practicing. Okay, just start practicing because it is high time you take up this thing to write your answers. The more you write and the more you start practicing, the more better it will be for your part 2 examination, which anyway is going to be conducted. So don't have this feeling in your head that अरे क्या है part 2 देखो होगा कि नहीं होगा. No, don't depend on that. Just start writing answers, and meanwhile just prepare yourself for MCQs as well. Okay, everything or how to prepare, कैसे score करना है, everything will be discussed in a separate video. This was entirely about your syllabus discussion. Now when you're about to end the video, the chapters not coming, okay, I'm repeating again, are there on the screen. So here, have a look, and please keep studying. We'll meet soon. This was just a short video for your syllabus. Now stay tuned and wait for more videos to come, and we'll interact soon in a live session. Thank you.